What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the 24-hour trade volume for Shiba Inu and when we can start expecting it to begin going back up. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, the global cryptocurrency market after the ETH futures was announced did end up, of course, becoming more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of catalyst. Now we see BTC did have a 3.5% correction as well as ETH over the last 24 hours. And of course, Shiba Inu followed in suit. Currently sitting at 7,249 Satoshis, consolidating at these levels really over the last year. And you could even say, if you look at the all-time chart, basically from May of 2022, maybe some upswings here and there with, of course, Shibarium news that was dropping last year. And of course, the beginning of this year, that created a pretty significant rally, January, February of 2023. Overall, very sideways price action. But that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is the 24-hour trade volume, currently sitting at $98 million. Remember, back in October of 21, my favorite month for SHIB, we saw the trade volume break $2, $3, $4, even $5 billion exchanging the hands of traders. And I do think once we start seeing volume in the entire global cryptocurrency market pick back up, Shiba Inu will be one that is wanted by retail investors. And I think right now, again, in my personal opinion, never financial advice, this is what we would call an accumulation phase. So with that, if you do believe in Shytoshi, the vision, the community, the infrastructure, what is currently being built with the metaverse, the Shiboshis, with SHIB's ecosystem, Bone, and Leash, and Shibarium, I do think that this creates more of a dollar cost averaging in a downward and sideways projection in terms of, again, just accumulation. It's creating a pretty significant opportunity. So with that said, let's go ahead and see what happens. Remember, the best of the best, and you guys saw him on the thumbnail, Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy continues to accumulate Bitcoin when nobody is talking about it. And guess what? When we do see some significant volume for BTC, like we saw a couple years back and even earlier this year, when we broke $30,000, $32,000, $33,000, that's when you can begin considering taking profits. So again, volume is down globally. Even the 24-hour trade volume for Bitcoin at 15 billion is actually really, really low relative to what we've seen previously. So again, more liquidity will enter the market when the time is right. It could be later this year. It could be 2024. But with that said, make sure you make the decisions to purchase assets that you believe will hopefully appreciate and give you a return on your investment. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.